So today I wanted to share this magnetic cord organizer with you. I got one of these from another company and I love these things so much. I decided that I was going to go around and buy some from each different company and give them a try and see how I like them. Now I got this one and I tried it on and so far so good. First of all, my favorite thing about these things is you can just grab the cord, wrap it up on there, and then you're good. You don't have to worry about tripping over it or anything like that. My second favorite thing is no installation. You can just smack it on there. One thing that I like about this one over the other one that I have is that these are padded. The magnets are not quite as strong, but there's 12 magnets in here total. So there's 6 magnets in each pad in reverse polarity. So I'm going to go ahead and set that on there. Now, the fact that there's no installation needed is just amazing. So today we're demonstrating it on the back of my Tahoma 900, but this will work on any brand of smoker as long as you have a place where you can put it where it won't get too hot. If you can put your hand on it when it's operating, it should be fine. The actual temperature is 176 degrees that the listing says where the magnets will no longer operate. And there is rubber on these pads. So if those pads would possibly melt above that, that's probably a good thing because then it'll just fall off and you won't have to worry about it melting. So I have the cord here. And one thing I'll note is the cord has one of these little velcro straps on it. And while these are fine, if you have something like a Masterbuilt where the cord comes out on the bottom, that won't do you much good because this will still be dragging on the ground even once you wrap it up. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab this and I'm just going to go ahead and start wrapping it on here. And now on this particular one, since it is so tall, I'm going to leave a little bit of cord hang down there. And that's not going to hurt anything at all. Keep in mind that when we're using this thing, the smoker's going to be off. Now, if you wanted to, you could put it to the side and you could bring in an extension cord or whatever you want and just leave this bailed all the time. But I personally like to run this away from the smoker a little bit and then leave a little bit of slack line so if somebody trips over the extension cord or something, it doesn't come unplugged. So I'm really happy with what I've received here, and I think this is going to work out great. But I'm going to order 2 more different brands, and we'll check those ones out too. So check this one out. I am happy with what I received, and if you buy this one, I think you'll be happy too.